Wow! Witness, come, and enjoy the nature of our region. This is Allen Crispo Lili, my pechakucha presentation. Mapion Lebak, Bongga ka Lebak, Bakasyonistas and touristas alike, come and see the wonder of nature in this part of the global. Be connected with nature and be amazed by the wondrous work of our Creator. Let yourself be relaxed and mesmerized the grandiosity of Lebak Katongan Coastal Eco Park located at Barangay Tagisa, Lebak, Sultan Kudarat. Mapion Lebak, our municipality's audio-visual presentation featuring our very own Mutya ng Lebak, now a world title holder as Miss Asia Pacific International 2018 and Mutya ng Pilipinas 2018. The best and most important resources our municipality has. This endeavor is through the initiative of our former tourism officer, designate Madam Lourdes Shirley C. Brelios, whose passion and creativity for Lebak is still her priority. Indeed, Lebak is truly mapion. Visitors will surely enjoy and trek through the boardwalk and the sides of a thick mangrove forest, go boating, and enjoy the beach. Local delicacies and seafood are available at Tagisa Beach. In the afternoon, sunset watching is not to be missed. If you're into adventures, a nature lover, or an outdoor enthusiast, then the latest addition to the growing tourism site in Soxargen. Mangrove forests play a vital role in trapping sediment, thereby stabilizing coastlines and protecting coral reef. With their roots in the water and leaves in the air, mangrove ecosystems support a diversity of life. A mangrove forest, beach, boating, and a fresh, edible shellfish. Located in the coastal barangay Tagisa, municipality of Lebak, Sultan Kudarat. These mangrove forests provide a safe haven and a nursery for a variety of fish, bird, and shellfish. Barangay Tagisa, in cooperation with DENR, has adopted mangrove restoration and conservation. By the way, my name is Allen Crispo Lili and this is my pechakucha presentation, Mapion Lebak.